Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to smoke ourselves some chicken wings. So let's get to it. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you this real quick. What we're doing, we're going to cut the tips off, and then you just follow the leg down, and you'll find the joint right there real easy. Let's do that again. Comes right off, and then just right there at the joint. So we're going to do this to all of them, and then we'll take the next step. All right, guys. So we've got our wings separated into the proper pieces, and what we're going to do now is I've dried these. Make sure that they're dry, because I'm going to put some olive oil on them to help the rub really stick. So I'm going to use a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. Nice and covered. Alright, let that sit for a minute. Let's go ahead and get our rub together. Today we're going to use a couple, that's 2 tablespoons of chili powder. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of paprika, a teaspoon of cumin, teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and finally, to really set it off, we're going to put in a teaspoon of ground mustard. Now we're just going to mix the contents really well. All right, then we're going to go ahead and add it to our chicken that we've got nicely oiled up. Now, you can do this in a bowl. I just do it in a bag, because it's going to end up in a bag anyway for a little bit to go back in the fridge. Alright, just a little bit more. So what we're going to do is let this sit in the fridge for about an hour. A little longer wouldn't hurt. Alright, into the fridge they go. See you in a minute. Okay guys, so there I got them in the smoker. Again, it's at 240. We're going to go ahead and close her up, and I do have about a cup of water here down in the bottom tray. Just make sure things don't get dried out. Let's go ahead and close her up and start the countdown for 2 hours. And today's wood is going to be pecan. So it should have a nice mild flavor, because chicken's pretty subtle itself, and so that's how you can get it. We'll check you back in a couple hours. Alright guys, so it's been a couple hours. Let's see how we're looking here. Looking tasty, that's for darn sure. Now let's just take their temp and make sure we're at 165. Oh yeah, there we go. We're definitely there. For sure, perfect. These things look amazing. So I'm going to take them out and get a tray, take them out, call it successful. This is the smoked wings. They turn out awesome. They're juicy. They taste phenomenal. They don't need any sauce, guys. Try this recipe out. And if I can do it, anybody can. Catch you next time.